Welcome to 1609 Winville Road, a beautiful 4-bedroom detached home with 3 washrooms situated within a quiet and family-minded neighborhood of East Pickering's Duffin Heights community. Featuring a brick exterior and a single-car garage, the covered front entrance invites you into a tastefully decorated main level showcasing an open layout with a wonderful ease of flow for entertaining, ceramic flooring in the foyer, powder room, and kitchen area, as well as richly hued hardwood flooring finishing a lovely south-facing living room, with the hardwood continued into the combined spaces of the dining and family rooms. A gas fireplace brings cozy warmth here, and above is a coffered ceiling with upgraded contemporary light fixtures, their brightness complementing the natural lighting that permeates the home and which are also featured throughout this level. While the layout of these rooms is very fluid and can be adapted to suit entertaining needs. The beautifully functional kitchen blends modern and traditional design features, showcasing shaker-style wood cabinetry with stone countertops and glass-tiled backsplashes with beveled edges, as well as a stainless steel double sink, dishwasher, oven, and side-by-side fridge freezer. And its equally spacious breakfast area has a sliding door walkout to a fully fenced backyard that awaits transformation into a dream outdoor retreat. The lower level of this home, which has a laundry area with washer and dryer, is unfinished and has great potential for future recreational and entertaining space. Off the main hallway is a mirrored door coat closet, as well as a powder room with pedestal sink. And carrying to the upper level is a gorgeous hardwood staircase, with this level showcasing cozy broadloom throughout, 4 bedrooms, all with large windows and upgraded contemporary light fixtures, as well as a linen closet and 2 washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all quite spacious, have double closets, and can accommodate sitting or study areas, and also share amongst them the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, lots of vanity storage, and has a wall nook that can be converted into a built-in storage shelf. The master suite showcases a walk-in closet, and this generously sized retreat also has an oversized north-facing window for diffused natural lighting, ample space for a sitting area, as well as an ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, 2 windows, a soaker tub, a separate walk-in shower area, and a wood vanity with drop-in basins. Situated within a neighborhood surrounded by green space, a short walk from the Duffin Heights Forest and River Trail entrance, and just minutes to places of worship, shopping plazas, the Pickering Golf Club, as well as indoor and outdoor recreational facilities. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.